Dude, if I weigh 99 pounds and eat a pound of nachos, am I 1% nacho?
What?
If you drop soap on the floor, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty?
Dude, what are you talking about?
Bruh, which orange came first? The color or the fruit?
Huh? Oh wait, you got a point there.
If two vegans are arguing, is it still considered beef?
Was there something in that apple juice you drank?
If you were born deaf, what language were you thinking? If you get out of the shower clean, how does your towel get dirty? If Apple made a car, would it still have windows?
Alright, I'm going to bed before I get a contact high from listening to you.